Trying to get the view from the window of my room at the Bird in Hand Inn and Restaurant. This is the second building in the inn. The first one is the one in the background there, and to the left here is the pool area in this building. And over there, beyond the tree, is the restaurant that's part of the complex, and on the other side of the road is a lovely farm. This is the pool room, not the billiards room. 2 indoor pools, very nice and warm in here. And then there's a big outdoor pool too. I think they have more pools here than the Essex House did. Essen House, not Essex House, Essen. Right over there is the farmer's market for Bird in Hand. If I have time, I might walk over there. I seem to have a little bit of arthritis in my foot since yesterday. There's the Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania town marker sign. I'm going to try to take a hike around the block there that's supposed to be about 3 miles. This is a front view of the inn and restaurant. This is the first building, and probably it was the first one built. And then behind it is the one that I was in, which has the pools and my room. And most of the Shelton people are in that area. Beautiful tree here. It might be I've forgotten what that blossom resembles. Mind is going. Anyway, this tree is at the end of the inn, and then just across the field here is the farmer's market. When I was seeing it through the windows of the inn, I thought it was across the busy road, and I'm glad to see that it's not. I want to get a picture of these battery-powered cars in the parking lot here. My son's. There's a bigger one over there. I think my sons considered those their favorite toy for Christmas. sidewalk only on this side of the road. I was complaining yesterday, or not complaining, but commenting that there were very few horse and buggy vehicles on the road yesterday, but today there are a lot more. But if it is Saturday, that's probably the traditional go-to-market day, so they probably do a lot more going on a Saturday than they do on a Friday. Just on the edge of the Bird in Hand Inn property now. This is Yoder's. It's in New Holland, Pennsylvania, about 20 minutes away from Bird in Hand and the inn that we stayed at. This is where we had our final buffet dinner, and the reunion is now officially over. Oh, and there goes my hat.